Right, hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. Welcome back to us actually succeeding of something that I didn't believe that we might do. That would be getting all this. I'm not sure if this is a proper way of doing it. So I have a couple of plans. First, when I tried to do this before, I think I mentioned this, I couldn't go more than, let's say, here, just because I think it's the side of the mountain and how much stuff was there that I think I should have gone with making incline like this to start higher, to get all the limestone first. And looks like, okay, I'm not gonna jinx it. It looks what it looks. The second thing is the one over here that I'm actually trying to do the what's I call it? Trying to do a ramp on this upper area here, because eventually I'm gonna have to do stuff here as well. Well, that's the plan at least. Anyway, one thing I have a problem with. Look at this electricity. We are consuming more than we are producing, or actually we are close to that, and this is a big red flag. And I'm gonna have to prioritize this as soon as possible. We don't need to build another power generator, so I'm gonna try to put it here, even though I often have issues with this, and yay, we don't have issues with this. So I need this prioritized, so this is urgent, as well as the pipe here. This needs 2 construction parts, this one needs 20, so 22, we do have 18. I bet many are being made as we speak. Let's double, oh, here we go, something else that I didn't do. This to here, there we go. More molten iron needs to be released in here. Anyway, I will be demolishing this, I believe. Let me just see if we are getting all the coal here. Looks like the coal is quite... Okay, it's there. That's the best I can do. The best I can say, yeah, the coal is there. Here we go. You can see here, we're getting soil. Did we separate the soil? Yes, we did. Should I separate the stone? Maybe not yet. I'm gonna complain about it later because I'm gonna forget to do it. Okay, so we need to repair the shipyard. We already had the 100 construction material pieces needed for finishing this. We need to research the fuel station. That's being researched now. Assign loose storage with slag and drag the right red slider to the left to export/dump. That's easy. We have a slag here, and then drag the right red slider to the left to export dump. Boom. There we go. That's the one. Mission complete. We get construction materials level 2. Perfect. Research settlement water. Okay, settlement groundwater pump, settlement water. So this one here. Add to queue. This is gonna add some other stuff to queue as well. Should I remove this from queue? I think I will. Or at least I can re-add it afterwards, because this is priority for research. Anyway, there we go. This is the new me, new year, new me. This is what we're producing now. I'm still waiting for these guys to process this building that they actually just did, and this is perfect. This is gonna now resolve some of the power issues that we have as well, which is non-existent because we just did everything we needed. I'm gonna remove this infrastructure. Apparently we got 75% of the materials back, so well, that's nice, isn't it? And these guys seem to be working still, so maybe I should let them finish at least this one stage. Let me see if they're gonna be finishing it here soon. They're actually building another one. These guys are building more. Is anybody delivering parts here? This guy looks like it is delivering wood, but okay, there's no end to this, so I'm just gonna do this and this. And all the industrial stuff has been removed. Coal maker. We have all this coal now. Oh, look at this, very busy. It's not busier than before, so it'll be getting less and less busy. That's because of the conveyor belts. They're doing a lot of heavy lifting, hard work. So yeah, that's great. Okay, I will do a couple of more. So let's go for conveyor belts. What do you need again? 28 of these. Yeah, 28 of these. I will do it from here to here. That's perfect. And then what else do I need here? You need coal. We're gonna build a coal storage. Loose storage and coal. And it requires the same conveyor belt like this. Oh, my bad. Let's go like this. Cancel this bad boy and then build storage again. Loose storage, rotate twice in this direction. Conveyor belt, the U-shaped conveyor belt like this, and here, boom. And then assign coal and put it. Trucks keep full if under. Here we go. There we go. Okay, water doesn't seem to be a problem here, so that's really nice to see. Like I said, a little bit cheating on my part is that I know that this is permanent structure, even though I'm building everything that I need to build. This is permanent. This is temporary structure, not a permanent one. So yeah, I will go for. How do I do this? Go like this, and then conveyor belt, normal one from here to here. We need to stockpile some of these materials. Perfect. Okay, next up, coal. Nothing needs to be done with coal. I don't want to store it in outside storage. I already mentioned this before because all the coal that I need is going to be stored in here. 240 tons, like a lot of coal is going to be stored here. We're going to take this first level layer off, and then we're going to see how we're going to dig down deeper. And here we have these guys not doing anything. Oh, right, the fuel stations. That's going to be a big project as well. I need to build fuel stations here. I need to build one close to coal and one close to iron. Close to the limestone, we already have the fuel here, but I might actually build a fuel. No. Let them build and then let them tank fuel here, as they did now. The guy is 100% fueled. They come here and all good. Okay, so fuel stations, like I said, we're gonna need 3 tanks, 1, 2, and 3. So when the vehicles are in need of fuel, they just go very short distance, and that's it. Okay, that's gonna be done in seconds. Repair shipyard. We will need 160. Perfect. Let's go for it. We have 100. Okay, repair shipyard, and then we're gonna be able to repair ship. Is this okay? Is this gonna be fixed at this corner when it's fixed? Maybe it will. I don't know how it works. Probably it will. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Ooh, I just noticing first time there's this input for. I'm pretty sure this is fuel. Fuel input, but yeah, cool. I will not build additional. I don't even know what's the internal fuel storage, but this is only input. It only has input here. There's other docks that we will be building that actually have additional. They have additional connectors. They're gonna have additional connectors for like liquid and other stuff. But we need to finish this one first. Okay, we are repairing shipyard, that's fine. Fueling station, build fuel station, connect to a fuel storage with diesel. This is, oh, totally missed this one here. Let's remove this. And definitely probably missed this one. Oh, and this one as well. Cool. A lot of missed stuff. Okay, so we need it around here. Why are you guys... Yeah, you can see here, why are these guys stopping here, not working? Simple solution, simple issue, is that these trucks have on board soil, dirt, and we are not filtering dirt here. So if I click here, now they're gonna start unloading. This is, there we go, resolved. Okay, so we need fueling around here, so I'm gonna play with this now. So we're gonna need fuel storage or liquid storage, build it right there and connect it to, I think, a vehicle. Yes, fuel station. I will connect it directly to the building, like this. Here I can set diesel and green to, let's say, 50%. That's gonna increase hugely consumption of fuel in here. So we're gonna build more fuel. Yes, I have nothing else to say. We're gonna be consuming more fuel. We're gonna be getting more fuel as well. I think we are doing good here. These guys say that they're mining 20 per. Is it 20 or 15? I have no idea what this means. Production into fuel. It says here 20, 60 minutes. I'm gonna assume that it's every 60 minutes you get, 60 seconds you get 20 fuel. And now output is full. That means that we are not using everything that we have. Oh, we definitely don't have this bad boy here. So let's connect this and this. This is rubber. So we need to stop them. You see output is full, they need truck to deal with this, but after we build conveyor belt, that's not going to be a problem anymore. Okay, so this is one fuel. Oh, this is going to be done very shortly. Okay, fill the ship with diesel, all load crew. Okay, build fuel. Wow, there's a lot of stuff happening. Okay, let's see this. Fuel station, connect to fluid storage with diesel. So you already have diesel here. Build fuel station, there we go. And connect it to fluid storage. It's connected with diesel. It has diesel. Does it have diesel? Well, it has diesel, so probably there's no diesel inside. Okay, doesn't matter. Research groundwater and then settlement water. That's fine. Go back. Fill the ship with diesel. Click on ship and then not enough crew. Fuel tank. Let's see here. Here we go. This one needs to go all the way here. So we need diesel over here as well. Hopefully they're gonna prioritize that. We'll see. Let's see this guy, and it has that selected, but it's going in that direction rather than getting the fuel first. Look at these, all these fuel tankers. Oh, because this has fuel here already. Oh, sweet. Okay, this is done. Now load the crew to the ship. Boom. Explore the first location on the world map with the ship. Yay! Now we start the fun part. Well, I think it's fun part of the game. Let's start one by one. It doesn't matter. They're all question marks. I know for a fact that we can get... what's this? Okay, ship on the way. And I love seeing ships depart. I love that. Anyway, right, so they're gonna go and depart, and we have... Oh, they're already done with the rubber here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is working. Yeah, let's build 2 more gas stations, so we minimize the downtime of the... Yeah, this is gonna be tricky here. Building anything around this area is... Well, as previously mentioned, tricky. Let's go with the copper area here. I'll build a little bit in this direction just because there's sand there. And I think I needed sand, but I didn't do too much of sand exploitation, so that's going to be fun for me as well. Let's go for fuel storage, rotate in this direction. Let's go this way, and then let's go for fuel station connected directly. And then here, diesel. 50%, close it. There we go. That's another fuel station. Now I'm thinking, can these guys use this, but or just leave them to go over there? But no, look, I don't know how long this is gonna take, and I know that the coal is gonna be, let's say quite needed. So and stay away from the mine. Stay away from there. We might need some conveyor connections. Oh my God, all this. Oh, this is stressful. So much work. Okay, let's do it here. Please allow me to build storage attached to it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Diesel again and 100. Perfect. So let's see now how the diesel is reacting here. Are you delivering a lot of diesel everywhere now? Actually, you know what? I don't think they are. Now that we talked about this, I think that they are using diesel from the shipyard, because I prioritize this as absolute must #1 priority, so yeah. Okay, keep empty. Copper is gonna be challenging. Look at this guy here, iron scrap. I'm actually gonna delete this. This is only a few of these. Delete that, and then delete this. I'm gonna leave the rest of them here. This is cement. We're gonna need this eventually. Yeah, just a little bit of cleanup there. Okay, how are you doing? Oh yeah, this is something that I wanted to play with. Explore the first location, by the way. Oh, here we go. The ship is already there. Can I get hell yeah? Can I get a notification? Tree harvester has no trees to harvest. Completed. Repaired shipyard and sell what? Oh. Hooray, I guess. Oh, found some loot. Okay, so... Oh, we have iron scrap. Oh, yeah. Oh, I should have destroyed that iron scrap. I know what I can do with that. Okay, hooray. Let's go for the, I guess, the next one. Let's go and explore that. So next stop here. Let's just press escape. What I wanted to do here is tree harvester has no trees to harvest. That's a problem. So let's deal with that. There we go. Can I go for more? Well, I'll give them more. That's fine. Okay, there are some mining designations outside of the mine tower areas. Okay, let's see that. Let's just fix that. That could be it, maybe. I can probably edit this if it's here. Might not be this one. It could be totally different mining area, but not here, not here, and definitely copper, yeah. Escape, escape. Click this one, edit area. So if we go a little bit more in this direction, this error message now, there are some mining designations outside of mining. Hey, there we go, boom, Oolykee for the win, for the president. Who wouldn't want me for a president? Nobody. Anyway, continuing on. What do we need to do? What do we need to do? What do we need to do? Oh, right, I wanted to, let's see them. Oh, collect the reward, fuel, that's fine, get that. Assign pickup truck to fuel station. Actually, I don't know the reason for this, because you're assigning a pickup truck to the gas station. The problem is, like, are they just delivering fuel to the gas station? Because I noticed in the game that gas station cannot work without external storage being attached to it. At least I didn't notice vehicles delivering fuel and stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm just wrong. Maybe I missed some stuff. But anyway, what are you guys doing? Nothing. You need to process this iron. Why is this iron not being processed? Because we are missing, waiting for the products. Oh, okay. Okay, why is this a problem here? Why are you not delivering with trucks? Maybe they're busy, maybe they're not, but this needs to stop anyway. So I'm gonna go like this. It needs to be red on red. Like this. Okay, that's not a you. Way better, way better. And this is definitely going to help. And by the way, I'll, like I said previously, I will be building several more of these. And look at this. Now we have space here that really needs to be addressed. We need... Oh, pause for a cause, problem, cancel. We need storage over here. Right, bada boom, bada bim, one short break later, and let's finish this one. That would be it, and here, ooh, this is gonna be several, we're gonna have several blast furnaces, so I need to be careful how I do this, so... needs to go from here, 1, 2, up, do it through the middle. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, right? Yeah, let's just do it like this, and then here, of course it won't let me build here. Why you don't let me build here? I don't know, that's fine, I'll build it elsewhere. For now, let it be here. I'm thinking blast furnaces to the right. We're gonna have blast furnace that's going to be sharing this coal storage, and then it's going to be the what's I call it, the slag storage, and then after that is going to be another blast furnace, and then coal storage again. So yeah, that's how I'm envisioning this to be. So what is happening here? This needs to be absolute priority, so I'm just gonna speed this up so we can start feeding the iron ore here. Look, vehicles, these look like gauze from Soviet Republic. It's much better graphic here though, but yeah, it looks a little bit like that. Okay, come on, don't build that, don't build that, you need to build this. This is prioritized and they actually build it last. That's unfortunate. What is this? Oh, don't do that. This is coal, right? They still didn't build it. They still didn't build it. This is like, I prioritized this. It was paused. I unpaused it. Oh god, okay, fine, finally, there we go. So, we have this. Hopefully they can go underneath. Maybe I should have built the overpass. Maybe I'm gonna do that. We'll see, we'll see. When I develop this area a little bit better, I'm gonna be working on that. For now, this is fine. This is, yeah, there we go. Taking slag, putting it here. Trucks empty over 100, that's fine. You can have something in there. Okay, look at this. This is the prefab panels or concrete blocks or whatever they are. That's fine. And then research. Okay, we need to do research. I'm not doing that. Okay, so here we go. This is the stuff that is on the boat, and I would like to use that. Now I'm just gonna go to this. I'm gonna add now these recipes, and I'm gonna put it as a primary one, just if they have a chance to unload this metal scrap. That would be great if we could empty that. Let me just see if we have storage. We don't have storage for these. I need storage for these. So here we're making these, but bear in mind that I'm gonna have to use these for the next level of construction materials. But in front of this and this, we don't need anything. This is empty space, so if we need to develop any further industries, they can be done there. So what I'm gonna do here is straight away play with the storage. So we do the unit storage approximately here. It's somewhat aligned, that's fine. I don't know if I'm doing this wrongly, too big, too small, I have no idea. This is still me. I didn't even properly check online suggestions from other players and what is the best setups and stuff, but I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, so next level, for example, next stuff that what we need to do here is the amount of each individual construction materials that we have. We have 71 of these, which we are making even more, but unfortunately this is this needs to be done to like 100. Let me just see if this is working. These guys are not working because, wow, okay, this is copper. Okay, this is copper, this is dirt. I was like, they're still getting crap, but no, they're doing fine. This is being smelted, this is being made, and this is full. There's nothing else we can do here. We are producing this to the highest level. We can upgrade these factories though. I don't think we need them. The storage is half full, so we need more like trucks delivering this rather than anything else. But yeah, that's about it. This storage is full. This is great to see. This is why these guys are not working here. That's great. And then we have coal over here. They are working. We're missing coal. Definitely missing coal. Gas station is built here. This is perfect. This is beautiful to see. Gas station is also full of gas. And then we have one over here. This is for these excavators. So I think all of it's in place now. Settlement water, this is what they want us to do next. I'm fine with this. I'm gonna just check the resources that we have. Unexploited resources, we have huge water basin here. We have sand, copper is there, coal is there, limestone is over here. Iron is being, well, I don't know what the hell am I doing here. Actually, you know what, let me play with this a little bit. Whoa, that's a lot of resources. But this is stone? No, this is some kind of crystals. Okay, there's a lot here to unravel still. Wow, this is a lot of resources. Looks like this beach is actually kind of poor-ish in resources. It's fine, it's fine. You get, yeah, doesn't matter. We'll check everything as we go. Escape, what I wanted to do here is this. I wanted to place these mining areas, but from here, flat ground, and then here. Whoop, whoop. Okay, I think I found something. So if I go from here... no, it's not. So here, I need one up. There we go. Okay, this looks like it's it. Oh, I think I found it. Okay, perfect, perfect. I think it's good. Let me just do this. I don't know, I'm just gonna put it like this. I know it's outside of range and stuff. Let's change that, just so we don't get this notification. So edit area, so I'm gonna go right here, and go right here, and this should this should change that. So if they can continue digging like this, they're almost at the highest level. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this 16 here, 15, 16, we can do it from here. 15, 16, 16, 16, 16. So this is where the highest point is. Now, will they be able to break through this? I don't know. This already looks a little bit on the high side, so it might be or all failure now. But I don't know. We'll see. This is the plan at least, so we can get like up there, and then it's easy. Like I don't care about everything else. We can deepen the road. I'm gonna focus on everything else except that. But if we can get through this, that would be great. Anyway. Research is going fine. The thing about the research, I'm gonna tell you now, there is something we need to build. Oh, we don't have storage for this. Okay, let's do this as well. This storage is... Oh, it's already... Oh, great. Are they unloading these? I hope they are. Yeah, it looks like they are. I need motor parts. So motor parts storage. So I'm gonna do it here, and then yoink. Motor parts storage would be... nope, it's here. I think this is it. Okay, let's go above, and then 1, 2, too high, that would be okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then going down. Yeah, something is wrong. It should be the same as the one over there. Yeah, but this one is... this one is a little bit more forward than that. This one here, it's not aligning with this, so that's fine. I don't mind. This is first. Let's call it first attempt. But yeah, storages can be upgraded as well. Can I upgrade them already? No, I can't yet, but storages can be upgraded as well. Next up, I'm gonna speed these things up. What I wanted to do actually was to build another research facility, because research seems to be going a little bit slower than usual now. I think as higher as you go, you get... there's challenges. This is another thing that I would like to address. You can see here that this maintenance, I'm not sure if this needs to be... Well, since I'm already using these two materials over here, I can literally put I can put it like this. I know that this can be upgraded as well, but this is the over here, and then we have the... Is it here? Where's the vehicle maintenance? I'm totally lost. Here we go. Vehicle maintenance, I can put it here, right next to this one, and then connect the electronic parts over here, and then have the... Yeah, I can actually do it. Let's do it straight away. So if I do this, and then connect from here, here, and then... like this. I think this is fine. And then from here to here. Yeah, that's it. And I know that this can be upgraded as well, but we're gonna do that later. I'm gonna demolish the other one there, because this one is supplied constantly, and even... Oh, look at the cars are actually... They're like special military operation units. So... yeah, I think this can be demolished then when this one is built and everything is connected. Like I can just extend these conveyor belts there, these conveyor belts. But I don't even know if I'm not building something that we need, but from like basic stuff, looks like I'm happy with this. I'm not with everything, but I'm happy with this. It's all connected, very little truck work, and I'm fine with this. Why are you complaining? Probably because this guy is, yeah, I think I should consider building another blast furnace straight away. You know what, while we are here, let me see what's the resource. I have only 14 of these. Blast furnace is, it's 60. Well, look, we're gonna need more of this. And after that, we're gonna need even more of this. Okay. I think this is it, and then on this side we're gonna need conveyor belts like this, like this. And then here, we're gonna need this. Okay. Okay, in the future I can build one there. Okay. Storage here for the... Well, for the thingy-make-jiggy. So we're gonna need another storage. Loose storage over here. That's a slag. We need a chimney. That's gonna be right here. And we need to feed this into the system. So this is not that hard. This is gonna be on the ground level from here all the way here. Voila! We just implemented another one. Bites the dust. So yeah, another blast furnace with all the storages. The coal is low though. Let me just do this. This is absolute must, so prioritize this. Prioritize this. How are we doing with coal here? 74, not too crazy. Let me see how this is going. This looks like it's decent. We have selected a decent amount of space. They're filling the trucks. How much you're full of coal, so they're loading only coal. That's great to see. Yeah, let them work. Работай. And then we have, this is working, diesel is full, the rubber is full, the these guys are still kind of, I mean, like this is, it's full, everything stopped here. There's a backlog because this guy needs to produce more, but I'm not consuming that much. Like I can even now upgrade this factory to higher level and it's gonna double the production. I think even consume less resources, but we can easily check this out. You can see here, upgrade, blah, 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 costs like this much, doesn't matter. Assembly, here, this assembly is 6, no, what am I talking about? We need the, here we go, all the way bottom, 1 rubber, 4 copper to get 4 electrical components. And then here is 1 rubber, 12, yeah, it's literally just 3 times faster. Which again, I don't think we need it at the moment. We have 31, nobody's coming to get them. Eventually, like, maybe they'll get here, So I'm not really too sad about this. So I think I should be more focused on this. I'm gonna speed the things up a little bit just to get stuff done. You can see here that this guy is full. It's already backlogging the iron here, so we are getting a little bit more iron to the rest of the crew. Some iron is even being stockpiled. I don't even know if we are using... Yeah, we're gonna be using iron for like... shipbuilding, research, stuff like that. Research, I mean searching around the map and stuff. Rubber, iron scrap. Iron scrap is on a ship, right? So I'm gonna just... What do I do with this? I'm just gonna... You know what? I'm gonna leave it. I don't know what to do with this copper. This copper is... I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not cheap, but hey-ho. You know what? Let's leave it alone. Continuing on, we need to go and research more. So I'm gonna go north, go and explore. Off you go. Settlement water. The reason why why am I not building another research facility? How are we doing with people? 26 unemployed people. That's great. That's very low. Let's go and build the... let's build the another research lab. I'm just gonna build another research lab here, and I'm pretty sure I shouldn't be building it here because I'm gonna need some consumables for these, and I want to build it that they are fed directly from the manufacturing. These are like lab equipment, but that's gonna be something for later. I'll rebuild them. How much do they cost? 30. That's not cheap either. Anyway, we'll see. Okay. What's next? Next is, let me increase the volume, let me see the tunes. Here are the tunes. This is being finished, this is all finished. Oh, yeah, this is a problem here. Please, can I build these trucks? No, I still didn't research it. Yeah, I can't even finish this. Oh, can I finish chimney? I don't know if they can do like over this, and also is this big enough? I don't know. Well, this might be a problem. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, let's just speed this up until it's done, so we finish it. This is requires, oh my god, that requires decent amount. Oh, coal is at least delivered here. Okay, iron is being delivered. This is working. It doesn't seem like they have any. Yeah. Look at this. This is all full of iron. This is full of iron. Again, I can upgrade these, and maybe I should. What do we do here? 18. Do we have that? We do. You know what? I'm going for it. Urgent. I think. Can I cancel? Let's cancel construction. Let's do this one because this one is more important. Upgrade and I'll pause urgent. Deliver it here. So yeah, already delivered 18. We need 12 more electronics and that's it. This is gonna double. Is it double the speed? We can check this out as well. So we have the assembly. Number one assembly constructs 4.5, 4.5, 6, 6. This one is 9, 9, 12, 12. Yeah, so it's doubling the speed of this. And there we go. It's delivered, it's constructed, and it's done. So now it's doubling well, there's also doubling consumption of iron now also. But it's fine. I'm just worried about this one. Will this be finished or not? I need to research something here. Where are they? They're already listed here. Next one to research. That's fine. Okay. And these are consuming all of the. These are consuming all of the iron. That's perfect. That's fine. Let them consume as much as they need because this is overflow only. And then some iron goes here, but even this is gonna block now, so they're not gonna be using any more iron because it's full storage. I can upgrade the storage though, but not now. No, we're still not there. Okay, what's next? They don't give us anything to do at the moment. Messages, cargo ship. Okay, let's focus on cargo ship. Let's see where it is. Oh, repair. Oh, there we go. Iron. 240 iron. Yay! Start repairs. Yes, please. Will this guy go back now? I hope so. Waiting for the materials delivery. Yeah. Let's speed this up. Let's wait for the vehicle to return, our boat to return, and then we're gonna load all this iron. And look, we are even. Oh, are they taking the iron already? Oh, they are. Oh, interesting. They are stockpiling here. Yeah. See here, damaged cargo ship. They're gonna be fixing it now. Right. Do I have here return automatically? There was something. It doesn't show me here, but keep empty. No. Whoa. Here we go. Perfect. We have the water now. Let's see. Research settlement water, build water facility, build groundwater pump, water gets delivered to water facility. Okay, so we need to get groundwater pump and ensure water gets the water facility. So water facility, would that be under water? No, it's actually under humans water facility. Where is my underground water? It's over here. Okay, so do I build it like tight, like this? Oh, it also has sewage, so let's mirror this. Can you mirror this? No, it doesn't allow me to mirror it. I need sewage on the other side, you bollocks. No, come on. Look, it doesn't allow me to mirror this. Okay, fine. You suck. Okay, pumping water from here, there, that's fine, as long as the pipes can be attached, and then like this. No, I want it like here, and here. Perfect. I'm fine with all of this, and now it's gonna be a tricky part. I need to get this sewage into the ocean, and now this one needs to be I'm gonna put it too high as I usually do. And then here. Let's go to here and finish it. Yes, please. And then we have the... Where is it? It's under recycling, waste management. Yeah, liquid pump. Ah, come on, man. Just give me a place to build it. Some parts needs to be in ocean. Alright, so it's not classified this piece of water as an ocean, so I have to do it here. Okay, that's fine. Oh, rain. Nice. Okay, there we go. Water pipes going all the way here. So sewage. The guys are gonna get water now. Let's speed this up. Oh, look at the iron dropping like a stone. Dropping like an iron. The thing is my ship coming back or not? Because we have everything here. Let's give my ship a go to go elsewhere just to start moving. Speed up. And do I get... Did I... It doesn't give me option like, you know, return automatically or whatever. I think I still didn't find hostile ships. It's gonna be now, right? Oh, ramp for vehicles, perfect. They did not start on this yet. Let me see if I can build these ramps now. Oh god, no. Okay, I can just hope that I can finish this chimney. And does the chimney need to be maintained? It doesn't have any health that I can see. So, okay, let's finish all of this first, and we'll see then. This one requires 6 more, which hopefully is going to be done shortly. Bear in mind that half of everything that we produce goes into the upgrades for the higher level. I'm going to keep it like this. It's not a problem. Oh, we're at 0. What were you using it for? Groundwater pump, ensure what's going to water facility. Oh, I didn't build the water storage, but I don't care. Whoop. Pickup is struggling to find destination. Can't reach what? Okay. Sure. I know what is because I just built everything here. So let me try to get more dumping areas here. There we go. Build yourself a road. So dump it here. So they're gonna ever so slowly. Perfect. There you go. And now continue. And now almost is gonna be able to go there where he needs to go. Okay, perfect. No, none of these. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. Escape. Let's see. Iron production, my favorite. Whoop. This is a problem. Okay. Are you guys missing something? Yeah, they're missing the concrete panels thingy. Let's slow down and see. Yep, they're full. It's just the trucks are busy. There we go. There's one over here. And I bet they... No, I wanted to say I bet they already delivered some, but no. Nobody delivered anything. They are delivering now. Finally can start production. Oh yeah, look at them coming. All of them with prefab panels, with concrete blocks or whatever they're called. Terrain leveling. What's that again? Oh, terrain leveling. Is that like... okay, I understand. Okay. I don't know. No, I'm not gonna mess with this. Right click, go away. How are you doing? Please survive the mountain side here. This is like those Chinese or Indian excavator workers when they do crazy stuff on the side of the mountain. Not always ends up well, but hopefully nobody gets hurt. So here, this is the plan, and I think we might be almost to the highest point. Let's see one more time. No, 12, 13, 14, 15. We still have ways to go. That is fine. This one has 54, needs 6 more. What's with these? You have... Where are the construction going? These. Okay, this one is going here. Chimney. Can anybody please... Oh yeah, they delivered already. Perfect. So they can build this. Perfect. What's with this? Blast furnace has no recipe selected. That's fine. Recipe is iron, this one, and then this one. Both of these because I would like to use these materials that we get from missions. Unfortunately, none of them are here now, but we have some copper ore. I think that trucks don't even go for copper ore unless there's like... Oh, wait. What if I allow... Oh, it's already allowed. I was like, what if I allow that they can deliver copper ore? But can they deliver copper ore here then? No, they can't. Fine, whatever. Speed up. No active alerts, that's fine. Here we need, what's with this pump? Ah, right, they're still collecting materials. Blueprints, and ship is back. Perfect. What did you get us? You have stuff. You need to go on a mission, and let me see here, and all acquired cargo is loaded. Send the ship to deliver it. Yes. Perfect. Let's see what this is gonna do now. Toot. Okay. Let's see where the materials are being delivered now. Nothing. Nobody's stopping by here. 15 materials. Oh, nope. And here we go. Yeah, finally, there the outlet, water outlet. That's where it's going. Working fine. And this one is output is full. Which output is? Oh my god! This is the already filled. I bet that they delivered it from here to there. Yeah. So now we're gonna see a lot of trucks coming here and unloading this slag up in the ocean. All this slag, just dump it in the ocean. Fear not. Ooh. Reach the settlement. Okay. Reward. Perfect. Research. Captain's office. Okay. Captain's office. This is something strange that I have a hard time using. Where's the captain's office? Captain's office. Edicts. Transportation. Did I maybe do it already? What? Research and build captain's office. Maybe I have it already. Yeah, I have it. I researched it while I was setting the other ones. Okay, captain's office. I don't know. I'm gonna put it next to the settlement here, where I'm not gonna grow the settlement, and also captain needs to look in the direction of and have a big boulder in front of the house. That's fine. What do you need for this? Only 60. 60 is a lot. Okay, do that, and then activate vehicle fuel saver 1, which actually I don't know. Yeah, because we have this unity that we're getting, and I've never spent it on anything. So, yeah. Research and upgrade lab 1. So we need lab 1. There we go. Start research. I'm gonna give you. You see advanced concrete here. This is another one. I don't think we're gonna do it in this episode. Let's go irrigated farms and crop rotation. I'm gonna get those, but I don't think I'm gonna be building any of these in this episode now. I'm gonna finish with these, and that's gonna be it for today. But we have 2 blast furnaces and they're working like crazy. This guy is unloading slag. They're dumping it in the ocean, where I told them here to build a new layer of coast. But I'm not sure how useful this coast is going to be, because I think it needs to be kind of straight, and it's not really. So, yeah. I'm thinking, like, I don't have enough dumping stuff. I throw trash here. You can see that there's trash here. And this slag. I'm not sure if I should be doing this differently. I know that... I don't know. I think that there's recycling as we go. But I don't have it now. So I don't know what to do. Right, so what's next? We have the captain's office, vehicle fuel saver. We need to build captain's office. And we need to build this as well. Sure, I'll put this as a priority. And then we're gonna get these research lab number 1. This is the one that I was talking to you about. We get a new stuff to build here. In the assembly 2, we can build the lab equipment, and this is what I was hoping to do. Then you know what, I can just cancel this one. If we are already there or almost there, I can wait for this. And what did they say? We need these guys and these guys, right? No, what did they say? That's gonna be research lab. Yeah, electronics and mechanical parts. 8 mechanical parts and 4 electronics. So electronics, we can... I mean, I wanted to say we can use it from here, but this is already being overused, this one storage. But that's fine. I'll build another one with electronics. More the merrier. Like I said, electronics... I don't see a big deal with building electronics, because there's nothing nothing being done here, by the way. Oh, that's low. What's with you? Rubber missing. Let's burn the rubber, baby. Okay. Bring that rubber. It's just trucks are busy. Again busy. They're gonna go there a few times and that's gonna be it. Not enough workers. There we go. Immigration. Where's the wall? Where's your wall now? So let's unpause this. In 8 months we're gonna get more people, but we're gonna get notifications that something is not working because there's no workers. Did we already get that? -3 workers. Here we go. This one. Why? Oh, why? Doesn't matter. This one is not working. -3 workers. We already turned on the immigration. We have 34 homes. I think we're gonna have to build more. I don't know if they're gonna tell us to build more, or will I want to build more. I think I would want to build more. Do we have any... Oh, and we didn't research crop rotation yet. But soon we're gonna have, like, we can set crops to be rotated, even the fallow fields to retrieve the soil fertility. But here with potatoes, I didn't see any problems. But this is also because we are not picking up all the potatoes from the field, so they're, like, probably replenishing fertility. So yeah, that's the reason. Like, when we get to maximum usage from these potatoes, that's gonna be a different story. So we need to be on top of that, and I'm pretty sure that we really need to be on top of that, because... Oh, what's with this? Okay, so did I fix the boat? Okay, I don't know what happened there. Let's go and explore next one. I don't know if we got a boat or something. I don't see any new boats anywhere. But yeah, I know that there's gonna be stuff that we will be able to do. Like new boats, like when we're gonna discover some resources that we can exploit and stuff, yada yada yada, we'll see that. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do here, we have a few minutes left, but okay, let's continue then. Just continue. So industrial edicts, vehicle fuel saver, yoink, and this is, what is this doing? Vehicle fuel consumption reduced by 15%. Okay, and it's taking 1 unity per day. We are getting 0.34. If I could do it here, this should be now the 1.43, right? Okay, whatever. I'll put it here. 1 out of 1. Okay, whatever. You do you. So we are now getting less unity, but we are getting 15% less fuel. Actually, I don't really mind fuel to be consumed because I think production is keeping up with consumption. The only problem with the fuel is that they're gonna refuel less often, and that's a little bit more important for the excavators. Well, the working hard excavators, that would be the coal ones, because this is always on a low. Well, now it looks looking decent, but yeah, you'll see soon enough. We're gonna have the issue with this. Right, should I be making another crop or not? Let me see, can I change the crops anywhere? Yeah, looks like I can't. 35% less looks less of... Whoa. Less yield with the lack of water. Was delayed half a month due to lack of water or something without water. Okay. Sure. Looks like we are getting less yield. Well, this is where I'm gonna... Oh, collect more. Okay, perfect. Yay, we can get these ones. Okay, we are full now of these. But fear not, we're gonna be using a lot of these now soon enough. Did we get the research lab? No, we're only at 43%. Again, I don't want to do this. I don't want to build another lab because I'm gonna be building 2 new labs somewhere around here. So, do I start with this? Will I be making anything here? I'm thinking where I'm gonna be building this. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need another storage for this. Maybe I can put it, let's do it like this. Assembly 2. And I'm gonna go for... oh, I still don't have it. Okay, I still need to research it. In the research lab, I'm only gonna get this. And it needs to be in assembly 2. Yeah, that's fine. Let's speed this up a bit. How are we doing with mining? Mining looks good. Oh, please break through the mountain. Looks like this is the peak of the mountain, and if they're still going strong, that's great, because that means that... Yeah. Whoa, that's low. And not really, actually. Ah, this is input. Yeah, this is input. It's still low. What is wrong with this? No workers, right? Okay, so let's see the workers over here. They say in 1 month, ta-da! We just got refugees. Perfect. Okay, so we have more refugees. Do I want more? Yeah, I do want more. And finally, this guy is back. Did you bring us stuff? Sugar and tea and rum? Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. Why are you not using these? Come on, guys, get this out of here. Get the hell out of here. Like you see, oh, right, this is the reason why we need to do this. Because they need to deliver this. Or I can put storages outside. No, I can't. I don't have free connectors anywhere. So, oh, but coal is being delivered. Coal is being delivered. You see this? It's delivering. It's manually delivering these, but that's fine. They're manually delivering these iron scraps, so they can, you know, so we can use it. You know, that's the only reason to do it. Okay, boat is back. We have too much stuff on boat. This is not going to be unloaded until we unload this stuff here. They are moving iron scrap, but yeah, I don't know, cement, I can probably store it somewhere, stockpile it. I will soon start, like, this is the cement thing. Did I research it? No, advanced concrete. This is the one you get kiln, you get this concreting plant, you have a crusher. This is where we start using the rock and turn rock into gravel, gravel into sand, if you want artificial sand. And then we have the slag into crushed slag, and crushed slag can be used for bricks, so no more polluting the shoreline. And this guy says that it's probably nowhere to dump stuff anymore, so should I dump elsewhere? Let's try like this, dumping designation. Let's do like this. Then I'm gonna, yeah, just do like this, and these trucks are now going back here to dump this into this side, into this ocean here. Okay, anything else? What I would like to cover here before we end the episode. Look at this beautiful line, red line going, delivering steel. But unfortunately we are full of everything, and the only bottlenecks we have here are these bad boys. This guy, we need this. So we don't have concrete. They are delivering some concrete panel, but we might need more than this concrete slab. And do we have production here? No, we don't. This could be the bottleneck. What is happening here? Nothing. They're just working. We just need more. So this is producing 12 slab per minute. And how much are we consuming here? We are consuming 12 here and 6 here. We're 18. So yeah, we definitely need more slab production. Whew. That's definitely for the next episode, maybe even after that, because we have a research lab to deal with, and we need to get assembly to produce lab equipment. That's gonna be challenging as well. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go somewhere around here, extending these parts. Oh, I can increase production of this, right? Yeah, let's do this. It's gonna be needed soon enough anyway, so if we increase this production now, we're gonna stockpile some of these parts. We're gonna be, well, this is taking 12, but if, depending how much we're gonna be consuming this, and this is 220, I don't think we can even store this. Can we store, let me storage. Yeah, no repair equipment, only repair equipment can be stored in here. So, yeah, currently we're at 0. Waiting for products. Yeah, well, look, we are upgrading this. That is it. I'm calling it here. I need to balance this iron production that I have here. We have enough of these parts, we have enough of these parts, but now the bottleneck is the production of construction materials, construction parts. So this is the bottle. Whoa, that's 140. Maybe there's no bottleneck. Well, definitely the concrete slabs are bottleneck. We're gonna be addressing that hopefully in the next episode, but the research also needs to be done. I think I'm gonna speed up off screen to get to the research lab, and then we're gonna talk about it later. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, share, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it, and if you want to support the channel, I have a description in the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.